So I am Yann Cabaret. I'm the CEO of SITA for Aircraft, and I've been in SITA for a good 18 years now. I think the biggest challenge, without surprise, is dealing with climate change. So whether I'm an airline or an air navigation service provider, I need to deal with the direct consequences of climate change, like turbulences. I still need to manage the quality of my operations so that I can compete. I need to reduce my emissions, and I still need to remain sustainable from an economical perspective while having a lot of new costs coming at me. Cost of SAF, cost of carbon credits, cost of taxes, and that's really the huge challenge that is in front of us as an industry today. Well, our mission is to help our customers, so airlines, air navigation service providers, and aircraft lifecycle partners, to become more sustainable. And for this, we develop a portfolio of solutions that helps them solve their most pressing challenge, which is really around improving the quality of operations, making better real-time decisions, managing their costs, and obviously reducing their emissions. The first thing is that we are dedicated to that industry, and that is true for SITA overall. We've been here for 70 years, so we really are in a position to bring technology that fits into our customers' business and not ask our customers to adapt their business to fit technology. So that's really the first bit. And the second bit is, we are active around flight efficiency, around air traffic management, around aircraft maintenance. And in there, we really bring data and data insights to actually make better decisions. Because the real thing is, data and insights are only valuable if you can change the way you operate to gain efficiency, and that is really what we do for our customers.